Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can unlock your iPhone without passcode on the iPhone running iOS 15. So before we begin, we need to first unlock the iPhone with a passcode for the first time. Then go back to your home screen and tap on settings. In settings, go down and we're going to tap on the passcode. So we need to find passcode somewhere in here, Face ID and passcode. So tap on that. Then we need to put in the passcode. After that, go down and tap on turn passcode off. Then tap on turn off. And we need to put in the account Apple ID password. Once you have put in your Apple ID password, tap on turn off at the top. And then we need to put in the passcode to turn off. Okay, so now that it is turned off, you can see now if I try to unlock my phone, I do not need to put in the passcode anymore. And that's how you can unlock your iPhone without a passcode for your iPhone running iOS 15. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.